Good morning students. Today we will do report writing, very important topic. It carries 5 marks in exam. Okay, first we will see the definition of report writing. A report is a description of a past event. जो भी events या functions we already celebrated और उसे हम describe कर रहे हैं report writing में. Okay, in exam they can ask report writing in two types, events or function you have celebrated in school, okay, and second one accident, road accident, okay, which you have witnessed, or natural calamities means heavy rainfall, okay, or flood आ गया, so that you have to describe in report writing. Second we will see, next we will see marking scheme for 5 marks. 1 marks is for format, okay. In format headline will come. Headline means title on what you are writing, report writing. तो उस पर टॉपिक क्या लिखना, फर्स्ट जिसके बारे में पूछा है वो टॉपिक लिखना है, तो वो टॉपिक, देन यू विल राइट डेट, ओके, एंड देन यू विल राइट प्लेस. देन 4 marks is for content. In content whatever you are writing, events, function or accident, okay, about whatever you are writing report, that you have fully detail में लिखना है वो full, okay, and without grammatical or spelling error. Now we will see the format of a report writing. So for format, in the center first headline will come. Headline means title, okay. Below that you can write byline, means name of the reporter, okay, or you can write in the left hand side also. After that left hand side date and place will come, okay, and then content means you have to write opening paragraph, okay, opening paragraph, introduction of the event, then in that detail, okay, and the end conclusion. नाउ यू विल से कि मिस कंटेंट में लिखना क्या है. हम टाइटल लिख लेते हैं, बायलाइन हो जाता है, डेट और वो सब भी हो जाता है, बट कंटेंट होता नहीं है, ओके. सो फॉर कंटेंट दिस 5-6 क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. आई हैव रिटन इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स, तो वो क्वेश्चन अपने आप को पूछो, ओके. सो यू विल एबल टू राइट द रिपोर्ट. फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाट इज रिपोर्ट अबाउट. रिपोर्ट किसके बारे में, टॉपिक क्या है, दैट यू हैव टू राइट, ओके. सो ओपनिंग ऑफ द पैराग्राफ, व्हेन डिड द इवेंट हैपन, इवेंट कब हुआ, okay, so that will come. Where it happened, so in school, okay, so place name came. So ये आपका इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया पैराग्राफ का, 3-4 लाइन्स हो गए. Who were the people involved, चीफ गेस्ट आए, स्कूल के टीचर्स थे, प्रिंसिपल थे, ओके, तो ये सारी चीज़ें हो गई. स्टूडेंट्स थे, विच क्लास स्टूडेंट्स इन्वॉल्व, ये सब हो गया. What were the causes, the detail of the event. What was the causes means the accident हुआ है, जैसे मैंने बोला नेचुरल कैमिटीज़ है, तो उस पर लिख रहे हो तो वहाँ के कॉजेज़ क्या थे, या फिर आई चेकअप कैंप किया, डेंटल चेकअप कैंप किया, तो उसमें क्या था, ओके, एंड द डिटेल ऑफ द प्रोग्राम यू हैव टू राइट. देन द आउटकम ऑफ द इवेंट यू हैव टू राइट एंड कंक्लूजन. एंड लास्ट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, जब भी आप रिपोर्ट राइटिंग लिखते हो तो यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड कि सारे सेंटेंसेस पास्ट टेंस में होने चाहिए, बिकॉज वो जो भी इवेंट या फंक्शन है वो हो चुका है, ओके. तो इसीलिए वो ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट हो चुका है, तो हमें जो भी लिखना है वो पास्ट टेंस में लिखना है. दैट कीप इन योर माइंड, ओके. Now we will see one example of report writing. You are Anisha Anand. Name is already given. See in the question. A newspaper reporter. You have seen an auto rickshaw full of passengers overturn on a busy road as it is hit by speedy car. Write a report on it. Okay. So your accident report we have to write. Killed on the spot. You can write title. जो भी आपको मन है वो दे सकते हो. Okay. According to the topic you can give. Okay, this is the title. Then by here name is already given Anisha Anand, so I wrote here by, ऐसे लिखना है, okay. Then place, I told you place you have to write, and date हमेशा ऐसे ही लिखनी है, 8th September, full spelling लिखना है month का, comma, and year you have to write, okay. Now opening paragraph. 2 women were killed and 2 children and 2 men were seriously injured in a severe accident on a busy narrow circle road. As I told you that ask question some important points में, तो place कहाँ है, तो ये आ गया. देखो ये 2 introduction line, and then now we will see the paragraph. 2 women and 2 children were traveling in an auto rickshaw when the rickshaw was taking a turn near Nehru Circle. A speedy red Maruti hit it from behind, overturning the auto and throwing away one child. Two female passengers came under the front wheel of the car and died on the spot, but one child escaped death narrowly. The auto driver and the Maruti driver were lying on the road bleeding profusely. A traffic policeman immediately rushed to the spot and sent the wounded to the nearest hospital. One car owner offered to take the wounded to the hospital immediately on the request of the traffic policeman. Detail of the passenger of the ill-fated auto driver and the car driver are still not known. This way you have to write. Use simple language, simple sentences. Okay, so there will be no mistake, no grammatical or spelling mistake. Okay, you have to write like this. Next example we'll see. A social organization has conducted a cleanliness drive in your locality. Write a report for a newspaper. So title here is already given. So I wrote cleanliness drive. Okay, by Aditi class monitor you can write, or you can write XYZ monitor. Okay, then left hand side place name and date. NSS student of 11th and 12th gathered and conducted cleanliness drive in the city. They went about their job with proper equipment and professional attitude. They were equipped with broom, buckets and duster. They protected themselves with hand gloves, apron and surgical mask. NSS program officer also participated in the drive. The residents were very cooperative. Some of the residents joined them in the task. Observing the zeal and enthusiasm of the students, the mayor of the city also joined the drive, having the broom in his hand. Thus, the common passage and the compound of the building received good attention. From a school in the locality, some boys and girls volunteered to join. Thus, there was a good response. The social organization member NSS were satisfied with the attitude of the residents. Thus, an awareness of the need and importance of cleanliness was created in the mind of the residents. It is hoped that good work will be continued in the locality with their efforts. The building, compounds and the roads all got a facelight. NSS students sincerely thank all the residents and the mayor of the city for their participation in this drive.